Okay, in this video what we're trying to do is help those that know that they have warrants in Dallas County find those warrants and figure out exactly what to do with them in order to get the warrants lifted and to keep the violations from going on their permanent record. Now, we get calls all day, every day from residents of Dallas County and the surrounding areas saying, hey, I got a ticket, I lost it, I know it's in Warrant, I know it was in Dallas County. Okay, but the problem with that is that Dallas County is such a huge county with so many cities and JP precincts that it can sometimes be like finding a needle in a haystack. And there's no silver bullet to make sure that you've got them all. What you're hoping is that the city or the county that has issued the warrant has posted it on one of the public websites that we use to search for them. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take you to one of those websites to kind of show you what we do when we get that kind of client that calls in and is not real sure where the ticket's at, but just knows for certain that it's in Dallas County. So what we want to do is we want to go to Google. And after going to Google, we're going to type in Dallas County Most Wanted. And this is it's a public website ran by Dallas County, and this is what it looks like. You've got all these different sections you can click on. You've got this section down here called Traffic Tickets. You've also got this one called Dallas County Wanted. Now, a lot of people will click on this link, the traffic tickets link, and you don't want to do that. The reason why is because this is an option to actually just pay off your tickets. And I've talked about this in other videos, but paying off your traffic tickets is the equivalent of being found guilty at trial on that offense. If you're found guilty, then it has to be reported to the Department of Public Safety as a conviction on your permanent record, which means it will never be erased, and it can be counted against you for usually a 3-year period, sometimes longer depending on the offense. Say, for example, you get a no insurance ticket and you pay that off. Your license will automatically be suspended until you pay $780 over 3 years and submit proof of SR22 insurance to the Department of Public Safety. So it's not a wise decision to pay the tickets off just to get them out of warrant. What you need to do is find them and get the warrants lifted, usually through an attorney that can help you keep those off your permanent record and keep your driver's license clear. So what you want to do when you go to this site is you want to click on the Dallas County Wanted tab right there. Okay, now this is where you want to be. If you see this screen, you're in the right spot. What you want to do is you want to come down here and you click on Continue, and then you're able to type in your identifying information. Now, they don't require a whole lot. So if you typed in, say, John Smith, it'll bring up pretty much every John Smith that has warrants reported to this public website. And so what you want to do is you want to find the John Smith that you are at the address that you lived at when you got the violation, and you want to look for your date of birth. This will tell you whether or not it's in warrant. It'll also tell you if you have a scofflaw hold holding up your ability to get your registration renewed. There will also be photos sometimes of people that have been arrested in the past. So this person right here, let's just click on John I. Smith. You look at his case. You can see that he's got 1, 2, 3 that have been reported to this website, and you can see the date of the offense. He got these tickets on August the 7th of 2010 for running a stop sign. He then failed to appear on one of these. I guess he pretty much got them back to back on these, and then he got another ran stop sign. So is there a hold on his registration? Yes. And are they in warrant? Can he be picked up and taken to jail on them? Yes. They've been in warrant since 2010 and 2011. And so what we do is we relay that information to the client to let them know exactly what needs to be done. So it's a very helpful website for you to do that initial search to try to figure out what needs to be done next. Now, once you get that information, Normally what we'd like you to do is to either take a screenshot of it or keep it up on your screen and then give us a call or chat with us online. You can reach us a million different ways. We have a 1-800 number, this 1-866-921-3684 number. We also have online chat that's available Monday through Friday. Because I'm recording this on the weekend, it's not available right now. Or you can simply just submit your information and it'll send us an email, and then we'll contact you back once we get that information. So go ahead and do the search on yourself if you feel like you may have some warrants in Dallas County. If you find something on that list, give us a call. We'd be very happy to help you out.